There we go, Jordy. Looking much better now, bud. Good idea. Push that face back, make the nose and teeth bigger, eh? Now he's looking there. Look at that big tail down there. Yeah, there he is. He's making her.
Hey, Jordy. This is a 15-minute little dude I did for you, man. Trying to kind of copy your style and, I did the whoosh with all the stuff. But look, yeah, his name is, oh, no. No, please. Jordy, please, come on. I want to go out to British Columbia, man. I don't want to be near me. Oh, no. Oh, Jordy. What the hell, man? These Americans are poco psycho crazy, man. This is crazy. Jordy, look. I don't want to go there. Oh.
Hey, Jordy. Just want to show you the progress that I'm making on this here carving. I got a little snail going on, but everything needs refined yet. I'm just showing you the progress I'm making. I got a frog going on over here too. And when it's done, I'm going to, I think probably lay some little stones in. I have some polished rocks I like to embed and shit. And another beard here. Hey, and check this out, man. Jordy, look. This here diamond bird. Let's see. Where the hell is it? Right there. That thing. It really makes really great detail for them beard hairs there. It's the first time I tried that, man. I've just been kind of following your instructions. I'm pretty new at carving. But, yeah. Anyways, that's what's up, bud. All right, man. Peace out. Later.